Hey guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are well. So guys, today in this video I'll share with you a job openings from Canada. It's a latest job opening. So guys, if you are interested to apply for this job, please keep watching this video till the end, and let's know what is the latest job openings from Canada and how to apply and what is the all everything process to apply for this job. So the first job is food service supervisor. So you can see here the language requirements, the English, education requirements, secondary high school graduation certificates, experience requirements minimum 2 to 3 years, and this is the specific skills. So supervise and coordinate activities of staff who prepare and portion food, prepare and submit reports, maintain records of stocks, repair, sales and wastage, etc. This is about the special skills requirements, and this is the additional skills as you can see here. And the thing is, you have to read it carefully. The all documents are available in the descriptions below this video, so you can read it carefully. And apply process is you have to apply through this email id. You have to drop your cv and cover letters with all the documents to the office email id. So you can get this email id from the description below this video. So the thing is, before you apply, you have to read it carefully in the descriptions below this video. I am describing very shortly because the video will be long, so please go to the description and read it carefully. If you are eligible for this job, you can apply as soon as possible. So guys, let's move to next job. This is the next job is childcare provider. To work as a childcare provider in Canada, you have to meet the basic requirements from the employers. And you can see here all the things, all the requirements are mentioned right here by the employer. You can read it, the language requirements English, and the education requirements secondary school education certificates, and minimum 1 year and less than 2 years of experience requirements to apply for this job. Specific skills requirements: train to emotional well-being of children, take children and from school and appointment, supervise and care for children, prepare and serve nutrition bills. Everything requirements to work for this job as a childcare provider. And if you're really eligible for this job, and if you think that you are the fully of capability for this job, you can apply as soon as possible by dropping your cv to the official email id mentioned right here. So guys, the thing is, I already told you, again I would like to remind you, all the informations are available in the description below this video. Please go to the description below this video and read all the informations. Which job is suitable for you, you can apply as soon as possible. Once you apply for this job by the official email id, if your cv will be shortlisted, you can get a notifications by your email to attend the interview in that particular date and time which is fixed by the employer. You have to apply, attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, the company will process all the things. Next up is food and beverage server. So if you guys, if you belongs to food and beverage professionals, you can apply as soon as possible. Education and experience no requirements. They will train for few of days after you getting job. So if you want to apply for this job, please drop your cv and cover letter and all the informations like your education and your experience in the official email id. Once your cv will be shortlisted, you can attend the interview. Next up is truck driver. If you are a driver and if you have already international experience and you want to move abroad again, you can apply as soon as possible. No degree requirements, no experience requirements, but the thing is, you should have a minimum of requirements to work for this job as a truck driver. So guys, if you're interested to work as a truck driver, you have to apply by this official email id. The thing is, basic thing is, you should have the proper knowledge, proper qualifications, proper experience in the relevant field, then only you can apply. So again, I would like to remind you, for which job you want to apply, you should have proper qualifications and experience. And if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will answer you. First of all, the all informations I provide in the descriptions below this video. Please read it carefully. And if you want to apply, before you apply for the position, you have to read it carefully what is the qualifications and experience requirements for this job. Then if you're really eligible for this job, you can apply as soon as possible. Once you apply, you have to wait for the employer response, then you can attend the interview. So don't worry. Please, my suggestion to apply again and again and to try again and again. This suggestion I already gave in my previous videos. Again, I would like to tell you, this is my best suggestion If you want to move abroad, please try again and again. One day you will get a response and you can move abroad with your job. So guys, I hope this important information will be helpful for your careers. Please try to apply, and once you apply, of course, you can gain experience to attend the interview and all the things. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. In the next video, I'll try to give you the information about abroad job with another countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. God bless you. Bye bye.